Alright, y'all, so I forgot to post this on the last vlog, but this was that same night that we did the prank on Keith. And me and Jazz are just prepping sandwiches for the beach. We're trying to get everything ready so that when we wake up, we can just get up and go. What's up, y'all? Welcome to vlog day 3 of my Orlando trip. Well, Jazz's Orlando trip, but you know, my trip because I'm on the trip, you feel me? So I just woke up. Everybody just woke up. It's about like 9:40. We've been out maybe like 10-15 minutes. We're about to go to the beach. So I have on beach attire, but I am also milking myself. So before we go out, I gotta get rid of all this so that when we go out, I don't have to worry about leaking and all that. And then when we come back, I'm gonna do it again and all this.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left onto South Peninsula Drive.
All right, y'all, we are here at the beach. We're at Daytona Beach. About to take some shots. Got some fruit. About to have a photo shoot. About to get in the water. Oh wait, did we pour shots already? Pour me up. Thank you.
Let me drink.
¿Qué pasado? He said we got that good gas.
What is that?
He got the good gas.
Oh, he got that good gas.
Shots up. Cheers. Oh, didn't tap it.
Oh, that was not straight.
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't tough like the, what was the drink we was drinking the other day? That Luno Zoom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wasn't bad.
Good choice. We can sip on that all day.
Right. It's gonna do something. It's gonna do something. Back at it again. Cheers. Here, here. Woo! That one gave me chills. Do you need that?
No, but it was about blocking the sugar.
Oh.
All right.
Maya says somebody about to get this work. Oh my God. Woo. Oh, it feels so good out though. Woo. But the sun, she gotta come back out behind this cloud. But it's nice, y'all. We outside. It's been so long for me. It's been so long. It's nice stuff. Ready.
Talking to the good vibes, the good birthday vibes. Jasmine, sexy, sensual, 26th birthday. You know what I'm saying? Coming live and direct.
Oh.
Toasting up, but we getting straight to it.
Hi.
I didn't even TikTok.
Whose glasses is this? Is yours, Jasmine? Huh? Is your glasses?
It's the right way to do this on. Grab that fly swat right there. Fly, pat that thing out, turn that thing out, hump that thing out, grab the wheel, beat the hoe, beat the hoe, beat the It's the right way to do this on. Grab that fly swat right there. Fly, pat that thing out, turn that thing out, hump that thing out, grab the wheel, beat the hoe, beat the hoe.
They was looking. Are they confused? Did he see you? All right, she about to hit him with a little trivia question. you don't answer right, you get sprayed.
Hey y'all. Are y'all on spring break? Yeah. When's your birthday? 5, 4, 3.
June 22nd, 2005. He said.
Okay.
Get his ass. 3, 2, 1. Dang. Nope. No points.
So when we were getting ready to leave, the plan was to eat at Joe's Crab Shack, but there was a 2.5-hour wait. So we did some research and we ended up at Crab Night.
open.
It's a new place, a little like 15 minutes from the beach. The food was really nice though. Service was good. We had no complaints. I had no complaints. I killed all of my food. But I'm gonna let y'all look at everything and see what the food looked like. Like I said, everything was good. Would I go back if I was in Florida? Yeah, I don't see why not.
She a smoker. I've been contemplating, might have been a roaster. Trying to get the door hurt. Making it harder for the licks and get them. You don't need no OZ, cup full of OZ. I hope I don't OD. She keeps saying OD. Turn me to that purple demon emoji.
I had to get some food. We was at a Vibes Bar and Lounge, and now we're eating at their food truck. We about to get some curry goats.
Hey, once again, you already know who it is, man. It's the prettiest chocolate brother alive, man. You feel what I'm saying? We here with my girl Lex, you know, here
Check
with Maya.
out this new piece. Smile for him.
Hey, you know,
Rambo. Yeah, we love it. We love it. Look, we're looking good out here. Yes.
Wait a minute. Buddy over there said he was finna go get his shit.
Buddy over there said he's gonna go get his shit.
Yes, sir.
We don't need him to get his shit.
That's not what we need right now. I'm dead. I just wanted some food. I feel like I see it. He pointing real aggressive. They right there. All right, we out. I'll update y'all later. I'll show you the food when we leave. Listen, I was supposed to wait till the food. I honestly think Buddy got the shits. He went back to the car and he's back. Ooh, he's standing right by the car too. I feel like he ready. We just want our curry goat and we want to go home. We were just trying to celebrate my sister's birthday. She's 26. No, yeah, the drinks here. Listen, if you want to feel all the feels. No, what's he doing? Oh shit, they arguing. I'm gonna show y'all. All right. It's them two right there, y'all.
Oh. He said, I ain't gotta give Vibes no money.
All right, y'all, we got the food. Mission accomplished. Buddy that got the shits, he's gone. So we're safe. But the house is only 10 minutes away, so we was gonna be all right regardless. We was behind the food truck. We was hiding back there to be safe. You know.
I won't hide.
The men were standing watch.
I won't hide.
They were standing guard.
We ready to protect the women. You feel me?
We appreciate that.
Be gentlemen out here.
But the women, we was behind the food truck. But the food came out quick. Very happy for that. This almost the end, y'all. Oh, thank you. Who's in the back?
Me.
Okay. It's time to go home and eat a little bit of this and then head to the airport. My part of the trip is over, y'all.
It's your birthday.
Listen, my sis is hurting. We got her a little lit. Jazz, you want some cheeks in your face? We can have some cheeks for you if that's what you want. She said, I can't. Maya, you're so cute.
Get your
Yes, you can. Yes, you. Sí se puede. Yes, you can. I learned that on Bring It. What is it? Bring It On? One of these movies taught me.
Bring It On.
Sí
It
se
was
puede.
like one of them Bring It On.
Okay.
No, it wasn't. It was
See?
that Mexican girl.
Oh, that's what it is.
Kick it up.
That's what it is. See, you know, you ain't that drunk. You got it.
You know I know.
Sí se puede.
You know I know. Me and my sis stayed on the Disney.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, put some twerking music on. I'm gonna give her some cheeks. You gonna get these cheeks today. You gonna get
Alexis,
these.
I can't even see your cheeks.
That's okay. That's okay. You'll feel them. All right, Jazz, I'm gonna taste my goat and then I'm gonna give you the cheeks. Yo, look at this shit. Oh, sorry. From the food truck. That name is so clutch. Every club needs a food truck.
I can't even taste this food.
You gotta try the meat. You tongue them?
I can't do it.
Oh, she hurt me.
It was a setup.
Yeah.
Vodka, Hennessy, and you say? Disrespect.
You're lit.
Expert.
You know Skip to my Lou?
Of course.
If Leo don't know Skip to my Lou, I'm sending this video to his mama. Oh,
What?
God. Oh, God.
You're so
It's
cute.
a cultural disrespect to not know Skip to my Lou. They play that at your kindergarten.
Ooh, I don't know if that's the one you want.
You
Oh, she said kindergarten graduation. That's the one you want.
Skip to my Lou in the fucking white cap and gown. Skip to my Lou. Yeah.
Hey, we got it right.
Baby. Come on. Get up. Get your ass out the bed.
Hello.
Get out the bed.
You had 7 minutes. We gave you 8, maybe 10.
She put the blanket on her and
Put a
everything.
blanket on her head.
I just wanted some darkness.
No. Lord said let that be light.
I can't.
You can have darkness when you sleep, but it's not time to sleep.
I can't feel my feet. That's what you wanted.
Right. These were the vibes we were going for.
Right.
Get up. Get up.
Jazz, you're on the
I heard
vlog.
y'all coming. Oh my God. It's
Yeah.
so disappointing.
Tighten up, sis. You gotta tighten up.
Stand up. Stand up.
Yeah. Look at you, strong.
I got an attitude with everybody.
That's okay.
I don't care about no attitude.
Good.
We about to be lit.
Yeah.
Look at her arms. Look at her arms. Come
You
on.
still haven't opened your eyes.
I can't see.
You need to see the turn up. You halfway there.
We can count the steps together.
No, don't go back down. Don't go back.
No, don't go back.
Okay.
Come on. Okay. Feet to the ground. Yes, how you do?
Yeah, it's your birthday today. It's your birthday today. It's your birthday today. Hey.
Come on.
Nah, I'm making a vlog. You saw me making faces? Oh, what is she doing? I'm just being weird. It's okay. So I'm at the airport. Probably gonna miss my flight. The lines are stupid long. Like ridiculously long. I'm annoyed because I could have been sleeping, but it's fine. This line goes all the way back here, around the corner, around another corner. So I did make my flight by like 10-15 minutes, but the line that I showed you guys is the line that I was originally standing in. Little did I know I was in the wrong line. So luckily, you know, I started talking to people, asking questions and figuring out what I really needed to do. And I got in the right line and I didn't have to sit in that airport for any longer. Because I'm pretty sure there were So many people that missed their flight because of that line. Like, it was stupid long. Sing with me. Say, reunited and it feels so good. Reunited